Hi folks, I'm going to teach Roscoe, and I'll teach like a simple version, and then I'll add some bells and whistles so you can see what's what. Okay, so Roscoe's in G, and so good dogs get biscuits daily. And let's just jump right in. So I think I'll do a fairly basic version first, and then I'll talk about the different things you could do in the different places. Okay, so we're going to start with the first string, 5th fret. So that first phrase is bum, bum. And now you're going to strike the first string, pull it off, and then your hand's going to come down and hit the 2nd string open. Then we have a drop thumb on the 1st and 2nd strings. And then finger goes right here, second fret of the 3rd string. And then open 3rd string. Drop thumb, bum, bum, diddy. Drop thumb, bum, bum, diddy. So what we have is this line. Okay, one more time. Ready? And. Okay, next line. So I want to point out that this note here, this note right here, the 2nd string, 5th fret, is the same as this note. Or they should be at least close. They're supposed to be the same note. So you could go. Then you're going to go. But you could go. And we're going to do that. Because you should get used to using some of these other strings instead of always just up and down the 1st string. So this is going to be bum, diddy. Now put your finger right next to your 1st string, 5th fret, on your 2nd string. And then you're going to go bum, bum. So bum, diddy, bum, bum. Now move them up 2 frets. This is the 5 chord. So this is, think of it as being dum, da, da, dum, 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 like that. So, but you're only going to use the 2 fingers. You could do the same thing there as you did. Bum, diddy, bum, 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 diddy, bum, bum. The next thing is your 3rd line is the same as the 1st. Which you could also do that same trick of using this one. Yeah. Where we're using this note instead of this note. Okay, so 2nd string and then 1st string open, and then your 4 chord, which is a C. Bum diddy bum 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 diddy, or alternatively bum diddy bum 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 diddy bum diddy, and then the last line. This is like going 1 and 5 and 1 at the end of the tune. It's going to be 2nd, 3rd, and then pull off on the 3rd, pull off, bum. That's the 4th string, 4th fret. Pull off, bum, bum, diddy, bum. So you're ending up on the third string. That's a G note, and since this is in the key of G, you know, most tunes you're going to play in the key of G, they're going to end up on that G note, that open third string. Bum, bum, ba da bum, bum, diddy, bum, diddy. So let's play the whole A part together a couple times. Remember, it starts with, okay, ready, and. That's the whole A part. Play it twice. And then here's the B part. The B part sounds a bit like boiling cabbage down a little bit. So what's happening there is we're going third, second, and then make your 5 chord. Bum, bum. So you hit the third string and then the open second string. Bum, 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 bum. And then you 4 chord and hit your second string. Bum, diddy, bum, diddy. And then we're going to go bum, diddy, bum, 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 diddy, bum, diddy. That's third string, diddy, second, third again with your 5 chord down. Bum, diddy, bum, diddy. So that whole beginning of the B part is. So that third line is the same as the first line. And then the last line is the same as the last line of the first part. So let's play the whole B part slowly. Ready? And bum, diddy, bum, 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 diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, 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 diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, 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 diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, pull off, bum, bum, diddy, bum, diddy. And then, so after you played that B part twice, you'd launch into the A part of the tune. And there's no like pickup notes or anything. So just bum diddy, and then bum bum ba da 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 da. So let's play through the whole tune, and then I'm going to stop and we're going to go through that tune again and put in some fancier stuff if you want that. Okay, ready, and. Roscoe. So here's some fancier things. You could do a lot of pull-offs instead of going. You could go or whatever. All I did there is let's try just the first pull-off and pull off maybe this note. Pull off diddy, pull off diddy, drop thumb, pull off bum. So you could do that. Okay, then we've got this. So you could do bum diddy, drop thumb diddy, bum diddy, drop thumb diddy, bum diddy, drop thumb diddy, or whatever you choose. And then there I just put in a drop thumb instead of a another bum diddy. Bum diddy, drop thumb diddy. And then we're going to go bum, bum, pull off, bum, bum, diddy, bum. So those are some things of the first part. So when you're getting into from the first part to the second part, instead of going bum, 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 diddy, we're going to go bum, bum, pull off, bum, diddy, bum, slide, bum, diddy, bum, bum. So we can do a slide to get into the B part. So you're leaving off the diddy of that last two bum diddies. Bum, diddy, bum, diddy. Instead of that, we're going to go bum, diddy, bum, slide, bum. Now we're in the B part of the tune. So you can try that transitional thing. Those transitions are important. They help give your banjo playing, a nice flow. And so one thing you could do here's the way I taught it originally. Bum, diddy, bum, 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 diddy, bum, bum, diddy, bum, 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 diddy, bum, diddy. So you could go bum, diddy, bum, 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 diddy, pull off, bum, diddy, bum, 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 diddy, bum, diddy. So slow that down. Bum, diddy, bum, 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 diddy. Now pull off. So first string pull off right where it was. And then bum, diddy, bum, 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 diddy, pull off, bum, diddy, bum, 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 diddy, bum, diddy. Just hit your fourth string because we're not using it at all in this tune practically. Might as well. And then bum, 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 diddy, bum, 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 pull off, bum, bum, slide, bum, diddy. Those sounded kind of lame. Try it again slide. So bum, diddy, drop thumb, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, pull off, diddy, bum, diddy, my bum, diddy, drop thumb, diddy, bum, bum, pull off, bum, bum, diddy, bum, diddy. So you could do those sorts of things to it. I might have, when I played it the first time through, if there might be other things you might want to look at, slow them down, if there's something that appeals to you, because I wasn't paying attention. I was just, throwing stuff out there. So I have a little cold. I'm pretty sure it's not COVID, but that's why I sound this way. But I just had a student come from New York State to just do a bunch of intensive banjo with me for a day or two. And it was really fun. But one of the tunes we worked on was Roscoe, so I thought I'd teach that for you. Bye-bye.